Hi guys, today we are going to talk more about the TikTok application and we will show you today how to enable direct messages on TikTok. So first and foremost we need to go to this application, and as you can see we are on our profile page. Right now we have to go to the settings list after tapping on the three lines button at the top panel of the screen. So I choose it. And later I have to tap on the settings and privacy option, clicking on it one time. Later I have to select the second one, its privacy feature, and swipe the list down a little bit to choose the direct messages feature. And as you can see in our settings list, we have only two options like friends or no one. But for example, in your settings, in your account, you can have such options as everyone, friends or no one. So let's choose one which you like the most. So if you want to allow direct messages, let's tap on the friends, opposite the friends or everyone feature, clicking on the dot here. And to save changes, let's tap on the arrow at the left upper corner of the screen. I will go to our main screen, to our profile page, to refresh it and to check the changes in the settings again. So I will repeat my settings after going to the main list and choosing direct messages. And as you can see, yes, everything was saved successfully, and right now every one of our friends in our situation can send messages to us, and we will able to smoothly answer later. So guys, if this video was useful, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and of course TikTok HardReset.Info channels. Bye bye!